Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing great. From today, I'm going to start a complete Indian geography series through MCQ questions. I hope it will definitely be beneficial for your exam preparation. This is the first class and make sure to watch the entire video and follow this series regularly. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And you can get PDF from my Telegram channel, the link in the description. Alright, let's begin. Question number 1. Where does India rank in area among the countries of the world? Where does India rank in the area among the countries of the world? Option number C is the right answer, 7th. Question number 2. Through how many Indian states does the Tropic of Cancer pass? Option number B is the right answer, 8. Question number 3. The Tropic of Cancer passes through which of the following states? Option number B is the right answer, Jharkhand. Question number 4. Which one of the following towns is nearest to the Tropic of Cancer? Option number B is the right answer, Gandhinagar. Question number 5. Which of the following longitudes is known as standard meridian in India? Option number D is the right answer, 82 degree 30 nautical east. Question number 6. The Indian Standard Time is taken from which of the following city? So number A is the right answer, Allahabad, Naini. Question number 7. Where is the southernmost point of India located? Option number B is the right answer, Great Nicobar. Question number 8. Name the place in India where Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea and Indian Ocean meet. Option number A is the right answer, Kanyakumari. Question number 9. The westernmost point of India is? Option number C is the right answer, Guharmati. Question number 10. Indian states bordering Bangladesh are? Option number C, Meghalaya, Assam, West Bengal, Tripura. Question number 11. Which state of India has borders with 3 countries, namely Nepal, Bhutan and China? Option number D is the right answer, Sikkim. Question number 12. Which one of the following countries shares the longest land frontier with India? Option number D is the correct answer, Bangladesh. Question number 13. Which one of the following states of India has international boundary on its 3 sides? Option number C is the right answer, Tripura. Question number 14. The boundary between India and Pakistan was demarcated by? Option number D is the right answer, Radcliffe Line. Question number 15. Durand Line demarcated the Indian boundary with which one of the following countries? A is the right answer, Afghanistan. 16. Which of the following line demarcates India and northeastern part of China? Which of the following line demarcates India and the northeastern part of China? Option number B, McMahon line is the right answer. Question number 17. Which of the following separates India and Sri Lanka? Option number B is the right answer, Park Strait Bay. Question number 18. The Indian subcontinent was originally part of a huge mass called? Option number D, Gondwana continent. Question number 19. The foothills region of Himalayas is option number B, Shivalik is the right answer. Question number 20. Shivalik hills are part of which of the following? Option number C, Himalayas. 21. Which of the following is a part of Akshay Chin region? Option number D is the right answer, Ladakh Plateau. 22. Which one of the following is the youngest mountain chain? C is the right answer, Shivaliks. 23. The Lesser Himalaya is located between? Important. Option number B is the right answer, Shivalik and Great Himalaya. 24. Pir Panjal range is located or found in? Option number B, Jammu and Kashmir. 25. Identify the correct west to east sequence of the following helicasts. Option number C is the right answer, Garo, Khashi, Jandia, Naga. 26. Which of the following is the highest peak in South India? Option number A, Anaimudi is the right answer. 27. Which of the following is the oldest mountain range in India? Option number B, Aravalli is the right answer. 28. Which of the following hills are found where the Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats meet? Option number C is the right answer, Nilgiri Hills. 29. The Dhupgarh peak is situated in? Option number A, Satpura range. 30. Western Ghats in Maharashtra and Karnataka is known as? Option number B, Shahadri is the right answer. 31. Nilgiri mountain range lies in? Option number A is the right answer, Tamil Nadu. 32. Cardamom hills lie among the border of the state of? C is the right answer, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. 33. The first Indian woman to have climbed Mount Everest is? A is the right answer, Bachendri Pal. 34. Which of the following is the highest mountain peak in India? Highest mountain peak in India. Option number B is the right answer, Kanchenjunga. 35. In which state is the Guru Shikhar peak located? Option number A is the right answer, Rajasthan. 36. Who was the second Indian woman to climb Mount Everest? Second Indian woman. Option number C, Santosh Yadav. 37. The Kullu Valley is situated between the mountain ranges of? Option number A, Dhauladhar and Pir Panjal. Question number 38. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? Option number B is the right answer. Lipulek is not located in Uttar Pradesh. It is located in Uttarakhand. 39. Rotang Pass is located in? Option number A, Himachal Pradesh. 40. Saddle Peak, the highest peak of Andaman and Nicobar, is located in? Option number D, North Andaman. 41. Mana Pass is located in? Option number B, Uttarakhand. 42. Which among the following is the largest glacier? Option number D, Siachen. 43. Which one of the following glaciers is located in Kumaon region of Uttarakhand? Option number C, Milam. 44. Which plateau lies between the Aravalli and the Vindhya ranges? Option number A, Malwa Plateau. 45. Meghalaya Plateau is a part of. Option number B, Peninsular Plateau. 46. What is the total length of coastline of India? What is the total length of coastline of India? Option number D, 7516.6 km. 47. Which of the following Indian states has the longest sea coast? Easy and important. Option number C, Gujarat. 48. In India, how many states share the coastline? Option number C, 9. 49. The name of the coast of Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh is. Option number A, Coromandel is the right answer. And this is the last question. Which of the following is also known as Cape Comorin? Option number C, Kanyakumari is the right answer. Well, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video will help you a lot. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe my channel for getting more content. Keep watching, keep learning. See you in the next video. Thank you.